Joe Beermaster, Car Master. Today we have a 2009 GMC Sierre. This goes for multiple years, and it's the same for the Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you where the jack location is and the tools for that. So if you go in the back and you grab the bottom of the seat, it flips up real easy. And in this area back here, you'll see this little tiny jack for this truck. It's small, but it actually pumps up pretty high. It's pretty amazing. And the tools are there too. They're usually in that area, but they were out and not put back right. But that's where they're located, behind the passenger's side on the in the back seat, under the back seat. Joe Beermaster, take care. I hope this helps. The spare is located underneath the car, under here, and I do have a video on it, just so you know. Take care.